Santa Claus sure is dark out. Ain't the slightest spark out on my cracking jaw. Who's there? Who is it? Stopping for a visit? Is that you, Santa Claus? Are you bringing a present for me? Something pleasantly pleasant for me. That is just what I've been waiting for. Would you mind slipping it under the door? Oh, winds are howling, could that be growling? My legs feel like straw. Yeah, my, oh my. Kindly when you reply, is that you, Santa Claus? I can hear him knocking. Is that you, Santa Claus? I said, who's there? Who is it? You stopping for a visit? Is that you, Santa Claus? Oh, there's Santa, you gave me a scare. Now stop teasing, cause I know you're there. We don't believe in no problems today. But I can't explain why I'm shaking that way. There I can see old Santa in the keyhole. I'll get to the call. One peeking out right there. Oh, there's an eye there. Is that you, Santa Claus? Please, I beg you, my knees. Say that's you.